Hey everyone, this is Rachel, and today I'm here with a new scrapbooking process video. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome, and I would love it if you would become a subscriber. You can also click on the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video up. Alright folks, let's get going! Hey everyone, so I am just here to share with you the layouts I made and what I have left over with my For the Love of Homemade kits for January 2020. I did make 4 layouts with the kit, and so there are videos for all of these. I have the National Ice Cream Day video. I have my heavy mixed media about group shots for scrapbooking groups. Ms. Zampi is exploring all of the layouts, so that's super awesome. I have this super cute one about my dog Sadie riding in style. And then I have this one about me just talking about, things I wish I could have told myself when I was little. So those are my 4 layouts, and then this is what I have left over. Now, obviously, most of this will be worked back into my stash, but I did use quite a bit of it. For papers, these are the only 2 I have left. Obviously, this is slightly larger than this other piece, but these are actually, I think I'm going to let both of these go into recycling. I'm not a huge, massive fan of brush script in black and white, so I don't think I'll find use for that. So I'm perfectly happy with how the use I got out of it. I do have the gold stars left. I used all of the silver and all of the white, so I'm really happy with that. Gold stars, I can use these in a hot minute, no big deal. I'll just put them actually right here in my little handy dandy organizer right here. It's the Fahala from IKEA. I'll link it down below. I do have 3 Project Lifestyle cards left. I used 2 of them, which, considering I don't tend to use these, is pretty good. I used up quite a bit of the enamel dots, about half a pack. I did use one of the acrylic pieces. I knew I pulled out 2 that had the same phrase on them, so I knew I was only going to use 1 at the minimum, or 2 at the maximum, because I wouldn't use that phrase twice. But so I'm good with that. I used up half of this sticker sheet, which, considering I hadn't ever touched it before this kit, I am really happy with. And then I used up quite a few of these Maggie Holmes phrase stickers and label stickers. I was very pleased with how much of those I was able to use. All right, next we have up the letters. I was able to condense one sheet, the A's through the Q's, from one onto the other, because I only had a couple of K's, a couple of J's, and a couple of Q's that I added. So there was an extra sheet that I condensed onto this piece of paper. I also used quite a bit of this thing. I think I used this twice. I ended up using this 3 times. Yeah, 3 times, because I used the You Are My Sunshine acrylic piece as my title for my Sadie layout, but I used these on all other 3. I used some of these epoxy hearts, enamel hearts, and I used some of these enamel hearts, so super awesome. I used these sequins on 2 of my layouts. I did use quite a few of these alphas, as well as the phrase stickers, and I also used, let's see, 1, 2, I think I used 2 or 3 stickers from this Bella Boulevard line, and that was my complete kit. So I definitely think I dug really deep into my stash and used a lot of my items rather than just letting them sit there and look pretty. So tomorrow you will see my my February 2020 kit share. Also later today, you will see my Kill a Kit video for my scrapbooking store kit. Because as I said, I always like to show you what I managed to get done with a kit, and whether it's a homemade kit from my stash or whether it's a kit that I purchased or received because I'm a member of their design team, I always like to make sure you guys know I actually do use them and I am able to make them work for my layouts. All right, everyone, thanks so much. Bye.